got my second rear diffuser visor thing right here. It's a different style, it's not the same one as last time. I'll be putting that on later. And a tow hook. That should be the easiest install out of all. Going back here for some. Oh, fucking ugly dogs. Right there. Alright. Here we got the tow hook. Got it in gloss black. There's a little before show. It's going right on there. Yeah. A little before show. And just like that, there we have it. A nice little racer mod. It's alright. Check it out, it's a beautiful day. The moon's starting to come out. It's a beautiful day. I'll be going to my boy Nelson's house. I'll be installing carbon fiber parts. On my way to my boy Kobe's house. His brother's gonna be helping me install some parts. I'm gonna be installing, or we're gonna be installing some carbon fiber car nodes. And so I'm gonna be adding the rear visor as well. So yeah, stay tuned, kids.
Converse and Nike slides.
You got you a what? A Mozzie what?
A Mozzie sweater.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Hell yeah.
Installing the car nodes today.
This is what came with it?
Yep, all the hardware. That's my double-sided tape though. Visor going on too. Diffuser, whatever it's called. Before. So here's the car nodes, whatever they're called. We got a screw there. We didn't use all the materials, all the hardware that was included. Still got some washers, some nuts, some bolts. We have one right there, and we put one. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's somewhere down there. Not too sure where. That's right there. So that's where the other bolt is in the bottom. Put it at an angle so it can grip on. It came with double-sided tape as well, but we didn't put it on, but we probably should have. And then it would have closed that gap right there. But it doesn't bother me. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you don't know, so don't be looking at my shit. Same as the other side. Got a bolt right there, screw. And then one more on this side. Yes, sir. Pretty simple install, not too bad. Had to get a low profile jack to bring it up, get the screws on. Yeah. Might use this for something else. Might cut some tape off to put right here. Rain guards are starting to pop up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Same as the other side. Show you guys. Right here. Starting to pop up as well. Yeah, I'll fix it. Yeah. I have a custom splitter made. My boy Nelson, a carbon fiber splitter. And then we also got the rear visor on as well. Yep. Same one. Hopefully this one doesn't fly off. But looks pretty good. I like it. Yep. No gaps. Never mind, take that back. It's a little gap right there. Just need to push it down, but it should be good. But yeah, Looks pretty good. I like it. Got some more carbon fiber parts coming in. Stock's on just for now, temporary. Big baller wheels coming soon. Next month, you heard.